Next is facets of data. Facets of data. Very large amount of data will be generated in real scenario or in data science. The data available data are in many different type. The data mainly classified into structured and the unstructured. Structured, unstructured. After that we have the natural language are based on the graph. The data can be collected through any graph pictorial representation, or even it can be generated by any machine. Similarly, the data is available in the form of audio, video and images. So audio can be treated as the data, and video also we can generate data from the videos or even from the images, standard images. So similarly, the data is the form of any pictorial representation, or it can be in a graph like representation, or even it can be a text oriented, or even it can be in a row and column. The data are classified mainly into structured and the unstructured. Physically, normally we prefer the structured one, but it is tough to collect the data directly from the social platform or from any net. The easily available data are the unstructured. Unstructured, it is very quite available. We can generate or we can have a number of data based on the unstructured representation. So structured, it's nothing. The available data is arranged in the row and column format. It will be it is like a Excel sheet where we have the rows and column. Each row represent one particular data about particular person or particular X. Similarly, the column represent the features. For an example, according to our hidden patent example, we have the online retail purchase. So there we have the product id, the customer name or the customer id, that means the unique customer id. So everything is treated as the features. That features will be available as in the form of column. It will be represented in the column. So the structured data is arranged mainly in row and column format. The next, according to the structured data, the data are identifiable. Easily it is identifiable any person. Either the data analyst or the novice, easily we identify, we come to know what type of data or what content it present. So it is identifiable because it is organized in a structured format. Once I take any particular column, easily I can tell what is the value of the first column, second column, third column, and in general it what represented. So everything is easily identified by any person. And similarly, the most common form of structured data or any record or any tuple is a database. So the collection of data where the specific information is stored based on the methodology of the column and row. The next to that, once we talk about the database, is the main most important part is to deal with the database management system. Database management system is used for storing the structured data, which is quite easy to process and quite easy to retrieve it back. According to the novice, the structured data is quite easy to do any analysis. The structured data is also searchable by data type. Easily, I can search any data either by the data type. For an example, always the phone number comes in the numerical value. Similarly, the name of the person comes in the character value. So easy to search by the data type. The best example for the structured data is an Excel table. This is a one sample example. We can consider it for the structured data, where we have six different column. Each column represents some particular orientation. The indicator id represent the id of a particular product or the particular person. Similarly, the second column represent the dimension, what type of age it belongs to, what type of age, and similarly whether they are male or female. And it also represent the people from which country, the basic one. So dimension list, we have so many values. Please go through that. And the next time frame, in which year the data is collected, whether the 2008 or 2020 or something. Similarly, the numerical value which represent the percentage missing